I want to thank the World Bank and the Japanese country through the program they're calling KURA, Kenya Urban Rules Authority, Ministry of Roads and Infrastructure in the national government, and the county government officers who have been having this program for our county. It has been there for the last 3 years. And also thank the governor most sincerely, because when he was the deputy governor, he's the one who participated in the public participation for the people there down there, and also the recruitment of the persons who have been working for this program. The youth have benefited at the tune of 1,250 persons. Each was being paid 750 shillings for 40 days. So by all standards, this has created employment. It has also done the social life for these people has improved, and also ensure that they have money in the pocket. This road infrastructure that has been improved is at a low cost than doing maybe tarmac or even maraming roads. By this technology, it is cheaper and it is maintaining the roads for quite some time. I also want to thank the governor because there is the on-job training for 100 persons out of the 1,250, which was supposed to be done in Kisi, but through his influence and request, it will be done here in Meru Polytechnic, courtesy of the governor. So I want to thank him most sincerely. Finally, we are requesting, and we have talked with the World Bank team to extend this program so that it's not only in Mjini, but it goes towards some countries across the county so that more people can benefit. We can have more road infrastructure be improved, and we're able to use our roads even better. So thank you very much, and God bless us all. And most importantly, this team that is supporting us in Meru.
My name is Akiko Kisue. I am a senior urban transport specialist from the World Bank, and we are here in Meru for the implementation support mission of the project funded by the Japan Social Development Fund. And this project is providing the capacity building support for the community people from the Majengo, Mjini, Gitimbine. And then we are working with the community people of the more than 1,250 people and doing the on-the-job training, learning the Do-nou technology, which is a Japanese technology to do the spot maintenance of the roads. And then the community people have been rehabilitated more than 26 kilometers of the community roads, and then they are now formulated small micro enterprises to start their business as the labor-intensive road maintenance contractors. And then we have implementing the agency of the KURA, the Japanese NGO, Japanese Kenya NGO, and then they are working very hard in Meru, and then we also very much appreciate all the support received from the county government and the national government of Kenya. The sustainability of this project, we are actually the last year of the project implementation. However, this capacity building, the livelihood improvement project, will be handed over the Meru Youth Service, which is under Meru County, and then they will continue the implementation.
My name is Yuka Yamura. I'm a project manager for KURA, Community Road Empowerment. KURA is a Japanese NGO who is implementing this project in Meru. The project is called Improve the Livelihood Opportunities and Accessibility in Underserved and Urban Communities in Meru, Kenya. Specifically this project in Meru, we have started the project in 2022, and we have we have had road maintenance skill training, imparting skills to the youth, to 1,250 youth and women in 3 clusters of Majengo, Mjini, and Gitimbine. And we have repaired about 27 kilometers of the road in 3 communities. So this is not only the accessibility improvement project, but also we have to uplift the lives of the people or youth of the Meru community. So we have established 50 companies out of 1,250 youth, and they are registered as SMEs, and they have the business operation permit. So they are ready to get tenders from each entity like KURA, Meru County, and MCR even. So our end target is for them to embrace the project, that keep utilizing the skills they have been given through the project in the road project from now on. So we appreciate all the support we have been rendered from the governor's office, and the Meru County Government has been with us since the formulation of the project since 2018. They have given us the biggest support ever, and it has been very smooth working with Meru County. So thank you so much, and asante-san.
Asante kwako na stakeholders wote wametusaidia, tumebenefit sana sisi youth. Tulikuwa tumepata job for 40 days. Tunawaambia asante, tumefungua biashara, tumesaidia nyumbani. Nashukuru.